I'm Susie Kish, and the Rices are very good friends of ours, and so that's how we know them. Well, in 1995, when we bought our house in Philomath, we used Rice heating and air conditioning to put in a whole HVAC system, and it worked great for 22 years. And then we got another system put in 2017. Recommend Rice heating and air conditioning to anyone. They do a thorough job, and they clean up after themselves. Everything's spotless when they leave. The last system we got put in, there was even filters that lasted us for a few years later that were given to us. Very trustworthy, fair priced, and even employers that I had after that, I recommended Rice heating and air conditioning to their systems as well.